CBS 46 is your vaccine team. The Georgia Department of Health releasing these statistics today. Hospitalizations also up nearly 50% and deaths rose by 18%.
This all comes as an internal report from the CDC. It shows the Delta variant is as transmissible as chickenpox. It's more contagious than the seasonal flu, the common cold, and smallpox. Tonight, CBS 46 has team coverage. We begin with CBS 46's Adam Murphy. He's live outside of the CDC with the latest. Adam?
Hey, good evening, Tracy. The CDC telling me tonight they received new information within the last week from a study that was completed by a health department in Massachusetts that was a game changer. And in that study, it shows the Delta variant is one of the most dangerous respiratory diseases ever seen. New data from the CDC shows the Delta variant of the coronavirus is more contagious than previously thought. CBS 46 confirmed a Washington Post report of an internal CDC document, which says the new strain of the virus may spread as quickly as chickenpox.
This is not going to be eradicated anytime soon.
Dr. Felipe Lubello is an epidemiologist who once worked for the CDC. He said breakthrough cases are to be expected for those already vaccinated.
There is a possibility that you can acquire the virus and transmit the virus even if you're vaccinated. And that's why it's imperative that we go back to wearing masks indoors, even if you're vaccinated, particularly in areas where there's high transmission rates.
CBS 46 obtained the CDC documents, which state that health officials must publicly acknowledge the war has changed. It argues the agency has struggled to persuade the public to embrace vaccination and preventative measures such as mask wearing. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky referenced the report during an interview with CBS this week.
New data that we've seen just in the last several days, but corroborated several times, is that if you are vaccinated and you are one of those rare breakthrough infections, you actually have the capacity to pass it to somebody else.
The Post reports that the CDC director privately briefed lawmakers about the contents of the report this week, and the new data prompted the new CDC mask guidelines. Could another national shutdown be looming? I asked White House Assistant Press Secretary Kevin Munoz.
164 million Americans have already been vaccinated, so we have made tremendous progress. We are not going to turn back the clock. There will be no shutdowns.
Now, the CDC has acknowledged as well that their messaging has not been very consistent, and they know how frustrating that can be for the public. But they said as the data changes, so will the guidance. Live outside the CDC tonight here in Atlanta, Adam Murphy, CBS 46 News.
Adam, thank you. And